Today we are discussing the MoneyGram partnership with Stellar Development Foundation to utilize their blockchain technology. This innovative partnership with Stellar was announced on October 16th, and this is going to be a huge plus for XLM Stellar Lumens. I would love to have you on my channel, so please consider subscribing and hitting the like button. Disclaimer, I'm not a CPA, legal or financial advisor. This channel is for entertainment and education purpose only, and you should do your own research before investing into any stocks. It is going to be a game changer as SDF is teaming up to build a bridge between digital assets and cash currencies for users. Digital wallets connected to Stellar will be able to access MoneyGram's platform to move seamlessly from one cash currency to another, facilitated by Circle's Pay USDC, the stablecoin. As you know, MoneyGram is a global leader in money transfers and P2P payments, serving nearly 150 million people around the world. This is another step towards mainstream adoption of blockchain and digital assets. This means a whole new segment of cash users will also have the choice to convert their cash into and out of USDC, the stablecoin, connecting to digital assets services that may not have considered before. MoneyGram's network integrated with Stellar blockchain and facilitated through Circle's USD coin USDC will enable cash funding and payout in local currencies for consumers using USDC, as well as near instant backend settlement capabilities. For consumers, the partnership will provide the ability to seamlessly convert the USDC to cash or the cash to USDC. This increases the utility and liquidity of digital assets while also enabling more consumers to participate in the digital economy. The impact of this partnership is expected to grow as more wallets and companies join the Stellar network. For the first time, the settlement with MoneyGram will occur in real time using Circle's USDC, the world's largest, fastest growing dollar digital currency. This enables an accelerated collection of funds, improving efficiency and reducing the risk. As you know, MoneyGram was the first money transfer company to utilize blockchain technology as part of its foreign exchange trading and has since launched several innovative partnerships that provide broad consumer access to digital currencies. The United Texas Bank will serve as a settlement bank between Circle and MoneyGram. The partnership is scheduled to go live in select markets in 2021 with further international rollout planned in 2022. So this is a huge partnership between MoneyGram and a Stellar SDF. The deal is huge itself, and it comes at an interesting time. As you know, the Stellar's biggest competitor in this space is Ripple, and the ongoing lawsuit has kept XRP from listing on US crypto exchanges. It has also caused MoneyGram to cut the ties with Ripple, who it had a partner with prior to the new Stellar partnership. This announcement by Stellar is a huge blow to Ripple in a way, and Stellar stands to gain quite a bit of the ground. So the price target of $1 is very conservative and could hit by the end of this year. Alright folks, that was an update I wanted to provide. I would appreciate it if you can hit the like button, as it doesn't cost you anything, and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much, and talk to you in my next video.